Hey, hello everyone, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel name Learning to Learn. So, today, what we are going to do is we are going to start with research aptitude. I've made an entire playlist in Hindi, and this would be a series uploaded day by day in English so that all the people who understand complete English or who do not understand Hindi in a very better manner, they can attend this particular examination, and this videos would be helpful to all those people. Okay, before starting this particular class, this is everything about me, and if you are more interested, you can just go to the description box. You'll get a link tree link. Okay, you can just click on that and you can get all the details about me, like my official Instagram page, my Facebook page, the YouTube channel I'm running, and every other detail about me. Now, I'm not going to provide these notes. I'm really sorry for that. So, what you can do, the best possible way to take the notes is you can write down entire thing which is there. Okay, so that would be really helpful to you. Okay, now let's start with today's topic. We will be starting with the basics of research. So, this is what NTA UGCNET official website has given this syllabus. So, this is the official syllabus which is given by NTA UGCNET. Now, moving forward, but there is much more to it. Like, this is only a draft, but when you start reading, you understand that research is much more than this. So you need to have a detailed analysis of research. You need to read this topic in a detailed manner for two separate reasons. Apart from you can say studying this for your NTA UGCNET examinations or to crack this JRF examination, you also would need to understand the basics of research, so that that would be helpful in your further research, in your PhD, in your thesis. So at that time, when you're interviewing for all that, the panel people or the research people or the PhD people will ask you, or the university people will ask you, like, what is research, or how do you approach this particular topic, or how did you ended up with this particular topic, what sample are you going to take, what are you planning, what is your research design. So you should be very well aware about all these topics, because this will also depend upon your research proposal, as well as this will help you to give the answers during your PhD interview. So if you are really interested, make sure you watch all the sessions of this entire playlist, and if you're more comfortable in Hindi, I've already uploaded a video for the same, so, and entire playlist also, so you can watch that out. If you don't get that, just drop a comment below and I'll give you the entire playlist link. Okay, let's start. Now, we'll start with basic research, like what exactly is research. So the notes are available in Hindi and English as well. As you're comfortable, you can read both. I would highly recommend you to read both the things, but if you're more comfortable in English, you can read English, or if you're more comfortable in Hindi, you can read Hindi, your choice. And please note it down as I'm stating it or I'm explaining it, so that it is helpful for you. Now, we'll start with the term called research. Now, what is research? So, before starting what is research, I would like to tell you the difference between research and invention. These are two complete different topics which you need to understand, and these two words are completely independent of each other, completely different, separate from each other. So, research is finding out something which is already there. So, all the research which has been done so far is totally based on the topics, on the theory, on the things which is already been existent in the world. So you did not invent that, you did not produce that, it was always there. Okay, you just went and found it, that yes, this is that thing. So that is called a research. So research, the term itself suggests that we are searching something which is there but remains unknown to us. So the word research stands for re, which means again, and search means to find out. Sorry about the bad handwriting. So here, research means to find something. So when are we finding something? When we have lost something, or when there is something in the environment. Okay, so research is finding out the truth, or finding out something new. Okay, finding out something which is already existent in the environment. Whereas when we completely talk about invention is creating something new. I can give you a simple example. Suppose we are talking about dinosaurs. Okay, so if you see this particular image carefully, this particular image, so here are two archaeologists who are just trying to find out and trying to get the bones or fossils of various animals. Okay, so all the humans came to know about dinosaurs because of their bones and fossils which any of the persons have discovered, or you can say researched from the earth. So we have got all these things from the earth, and we started making logic out of it, and then we have concluded that yes, there were dinosaurs long back, long back. But when I talk about invention, okay, for example, TV, this is a simple example, or a smartphone or a touch screen phone which I have right now in my hand. So did we find a TV in a rock, or uh, inside a cave or something? No. Somebody tried to make TV, and after multiple attempts, they actually made a thing called TV, which is an entertainment unit. In the same way, mobile phones or cell phones or smartphones. So, did we get the smartphone somewhere? No, we did not get the smartphone somewhere. Some of the persons in the whole wide world, they started researching on various things, and then they tried to make wireless phones, touch screen phones. So this is invention. Invention is a machine, a device, or a system which has been invented by someone. So it is an act of making. We have made that particular thing. But in research, we are not making stuff, we are not producing something, we are just trying to find out that what exactly this particular thing is. Okay, so this is just a basic introduction of research, like what is research and invention. So make sure you completely understand the difference, don't get confused. So in any of your classes, or in any of your exams, it is asked that research is invention. No, research is not invention. Research is completely different from invention. Okay, so I hope you have understood so far. If you still have any doubts, please do mention in the comment section so I can address the same. And take good care of yourself, study hard, wait for the next videos. I would love to make more videos for you, so make sure you support us. You can just like this video and share with all your friends who require this specific video for their preparation. So thank you so much. Bye everyone.